The OnBase system was designed as a configurable platform. We designed it as a configurable platform for three reasons. First, the initial cost of deployment. By making it configurable, it's easier to deploy the solution and it's easy to improve it and change it as you go through that deployment process. The second reason was so that it was easy to upgrade. If there's very little custom code, then there's very little for the customer to test in order to upgrade from one version to the next version of OnBase. And the third reason is the business agility. If your company only spent a month deploying your OnBase system, tweaking it when your business takes a right turn and things change might only take a couple of weeks as opposed to 6 man-months or a year. So by making a solution that was configurable as opposed to programmable, we created an environment that was very flexible for our customers. Now, we've just shown OnBase 14 to a lot of our customers and partners who came to this Tech Quest. Let's hear what they had to say about OnBase 14.
It's hard to point one thing out. I mean, everything from Unity forms to expressions, trying to eliminate some of the scripting that we have, some of the very old scripting actually.
One of the other things I'm excited about as an administrator in OnBase 14 is the robustness of the Workflow Studio now. The ease of import and export, the robust documentation that it creates, and including in that export and import the ability to identify the differences between two databases. It's pretty exciting.
OnBase 14 affects me as administrator. Previously there was OnBase config, and when changes were made, those changes were lost. I didn't know who made the changes. Now with Workflow Studio, I'm able to actually see when these changes were made and who made the changes, which really affects auditing for who's making changes in our system.
The Unity forms, we know that as we build out, we're going to use Unity everywhere that we can. They're so easily customizable that you don't need to be a coder in order to build these forms. It makes it great for the whole team to be able to have an impact immediately in workflow.
Unity forms. It would take months to create what you could do in 5 minutes in a Unity form now in the old 9.2. And it would be HTML, a lot of build out, lots of testing. So I'm thinking it's going to be a huge impact as far as on the development and administration side.
Well, I think OnBase 14 is going to be a lot easier for us, where we don't have to do a lot of customization. And it's a huge jump for us. So anything right now is going to be a big improvement. So we're going from version 9.2 to 14. So we're going very aggressive as far as this upgrade. So I mean, to us it's all brand new horizon for us, and we're really excited.
We're excited. I'm excited to work with it. Yeah. It'll make my job a lot easier and people's experience with OnBase significantly better.